For decades, the physical movement of goods relied on static, pre-calculated schedules, primarily anchored by consolidation strategies like the classic milk run. These systems depended on manual dispatch boards and heuristic rules. Human operators balanced driving times and vehicle capacities hours before a single truck departed. Single delay, but they lack the computational capacity to see how that choice might trigger vehicle clustering or dock congestion further down the chain. Because pickups and drop-offs are rigidly synchronized, an accident or supplier delay hitting a single node rapidly cascades through the entire scheduled route. In modern supply chains characterized by demand fluctuations and localized traffic anomalies, this structural rigidity rapidly degrades into catastrophic operational inefficiency. Solving this inefficiency requires dynamically recalculating paths in real time, but this introduces a significant computational hurdle. This grid represents just 15 delivery points. When algorithms attempt to evaluate every possible connection to find the most efficient path, a challenge known as the capacitated vehicle routing problem with time windows, the decision space expands exponentially. As established by mathematicians Danzig and Ramsar, routing a single vehicle across these 15 stops yields over 1 trillion possible route combinations. To maintain delivery speed, modern networks must pivot away from the pursuit of absolute mathematical optimality. Instead, they rely on reinforcement learning and metaheuristics, matched by real-time hardware. Optimizing a fleet in motion requires systems that can bypass perfect mathematical exactness in favor of high-quality approximations generated in fractions of a second. Historically, operations research relied on exact algorithms, utilizing formulations like mixed integer programming to solve the routing problem. These models are valuable because they can mathematically prove the absolute best, most optimal path for a fleet to take. But exact solvers suffer from exponential growth in time complexity. As you add more vehicles and strict time windows to the map, the time required to prove optimality grows so large that the processing engine effectively stalls. If a driver is already on the road and a new priority order arrives, an exact solver that requires hours to recalculate the manifest provides no operational value. Exact algorithms are essentially unviable when a physical fleet is in motion and must adapt to new, unexpected variables. To bypass the exact solver bottleneck, AI dispatch platforms utilize metaheuristics like adaptive large neighborhood search, or ALNS. ALNS explores expansive solution spaces through destroy and repair cycles. Identifying an inefficient path, a destroy operator rips specific stops out of the sequence. Immediately, a repair operator snaps those stops back into the route in a more efficient cluster. Using operators like swap or cross, the algorithm handles up to 1,000 customers efficiently. It self-adapts, tracking historical performance to dynamically increase the probability of selecting the exact operator that successfully escaped previous bottlenecks. This allows ALNS to iteratively escape suboptimal configurations, delivering near-optimal routes without stalling the compute engine. Beyond the iterative cycles of ALNS, the current frontier of optimization is defined by deep reinforcement learning. This framework reframes the physical fleet as a partially observable Markov decision process. Neural networks utilize multi-head attention mechanisms to learn the spatial and temporal dependencies of the network. Unlike fixed heuristics, reinforcement learning trains across historical datasets of chaotic scenarios to intuitively predict where congestion will form. The true power is reward shaping, simultaneously balancing distance, capacity, deadlines, and fuel consumption. Through these rewards, the AI autonomously makes nuanced trade-offs, such as accepting a slightly longer driving path if it prevents massive surface penalties associated with a late VIP delivery. Deep reinforcement learning evaluates dozens of cascading variables at once, recalculating routes mid-transit at speeds that far exceed human cognitive capacity. But high-performance cloud engines are blind without a continuous stream of real-time ground truth. Dynamic routing requires every vehicle to act as a data gateway. Modern fleets use compact telematics hardware plugged directly into the standardized onboard diagnostics port. By tapping the engine control unit, devices read raw CAN bus signals, capturing diagnostic trouble codes, exact ignition states, and precise GPS coordinates, without any manual driver input. To ensure this data reaches the cloud from remote or low coverage areas, architectures utilize the MQTT messaging protocol. This ensures critical telematics packets are delivered even during cellular network degradation. Without this plug-and-play telematics substrate constantly pumping high-fidelity data into cloud hubs, dynamic route optimization simply cannot function. The mathematical efficiency of these algorithms often faces intense friction when it collides with the unmapped realities of messy physical environments. AI dispatch systems subject workers to a form of algorithmic management. By tracking GPS locations and acceptance rates by the minute, the platform treats drivers as datafied subjects, often tightening delivery windows to unreachable levels. When an algorithm routes a driver into a blocked alleyway or a temporary security checkpoint, it fails to recognize the physical cause of the delay. The system blindly penalizes the human worker, a friction point that has sparked grassroots resistance known as algo activism. One documented response is countermapping. Delivery riders build alternative spatial representations of their environment to outmaneuver the AI, sharing peer knowledge that standard GPS apps lack. In China, food delivery riders avoided algorithmic penalties by manually mapping an unmarked cemetery using the Chinese character for tomb. While the platform saw only empty space, the riders used the tomb as a critical navigational landmark to reclaim their autonomy. To remain sustainable, mathematical routing must evolve toward experience-informed models that ingest human ground truth feedback rather than dictating abstract, impossible paths. When successfully integrated, these algorithms produce measurable outcomes. UPS's Orion system evaluates over 200,000 route permutations per minute, and DHL's predictive platforms achieve up to 95% accuracy in shipment volume forecasting. This delivers a substantial economic lever, cutting total transportation spend by up to 20%. For UPS alone, these microscopic efficiencies reduce fuel consumption by 10 million gallons, mitigating 100,000 metric tons of carbon emissions every year. This dynamic software layer is now evolving into the foundational intelligence for unmanned fleets. Future logistics will rely on swarm intelligence, using these exact routing engines to coordinate the trajectories of autonomous trucks and delivery drones. To handle the scale of multimodal global shipping, organizations are beginning to deploy quantum-inspired computing. These systems can process exponentially larger datasets to identify optimal paths across rail, road, and sea simultaneously. Dynamic route optimization has moved beyond a simple software upgrade. It is now the intelligence layer driving the global logistics ecosystem toward a state of heightened efficiency and autonomous orchestration.